2 bags of our frozen carrots in our 9x13. Perfect. We're gonna season this up really quick with some garlic powder. Beautiful. And then just a little bit of black pepper. Oh yeah, such an easy all-in-one pan dinner. Now I have my chicken breast that I butterflied that we're gonna put right on top of our carrots, and I made sure to butterfly all of my breasts. And we have 4 large breasts here that are all cut. Perfect. All right, I washed my hands, and now we're gonna quickly season up our chicken. Make sure to flip it over and season it on both sides. We're starting off with our Italian seasoning, and then of course a little bit of salt, but you can season this however you like. I just think these flavors are gonna go very well with everything else we got going on. Of course, I have my peppers still here, so I might as well add that to our chicken, and then some garlic powder. All right, that looks like it is seasoned enough. Now I fixed up my stovetop chicken stuffing, and it's already all ready to go. And I have my spoon, and we're gonna scoop our stuffing right into our chicken where we butterflied it. And we're gonna give this a good stuffing. It's better than even stuffing your turkey. Just make sure to add a generous amount. We have that whole box of stuffing for our 4 chicken breasts, so there's no point in skimping out. All right, and you can use whatever stuffing you want. You can use, you know, the cornbread stuffing, turkey stuffing, but I just thought chicken was the most appropriate since we're stuffing chicken. All right, these breasts are stuffed, and now I'm gonna come in with some diced apples that I peeled, and we're just gonna go ahead and add this to our chicken. It's gonna add some beautiful moisture, some nice sweetness, some great fall flavors. We have those carrots, we have our chicken, our stuffing, and now these beautiful apples. I am just using a Granny Smith apple, but you can use whatever apple you prefer. Just make sure you get those peels off because you don't want anything extra chewy in your chicken. All right, so we're getting a good amount of those apples in there, and it's just gonna add some incredible moisture. Beautiful. Not done yet. I have a 1.5 stick of melted butter here, and I'm gonna add some honey to our butter. Just a generous amount, maybe about 2 tablespoons of honey, because you want it to be like a honey butter. Just kind of get that right in there. And then I have my whisk so that we can whisk that into our butter oh so beautifully. Just kind of give it a quick little whisk until you feel like it is well combined. And once that's well combined, we're gonna drizzle it on our chicken and our carrots. Oh yeah, this is really just going to bring it to the next level. Put it on that stuffing, on those apples, get it all. Ooh, I cannot wait to get this cooking. All right, right? My oven is set to 375, and this is gonna be in there for about 1 hour. Oh my, it smells like Thanksgiving in here. This looks so good, such a cozy and delicious meal. Okay, we did temp our chicken, and it temped at 165, which is exactly what we need it to be at. We're gonna grab our spatula and get our chicken. Maybe I have to go from the side, I think. There we go. Oh my goodness. Yes. Looks so good. I'm gonna grab some of those carrots. Truth. Let's cut into this baby. Oh, it's so tender.
Perfectly cooked.
Oh yeah, that is a beautiful chicken. So juicy, so flavorful. Let's give it a try. Just gonna start with a small piece because it's really hot.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. The sweetness from the honey and the apple, the juicy tender chicken, that savory stuffing. This is so good. You guys have to try this.